हे गाइस, हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आई होप आप सभी अपना ध्यान रख रहे होंगे। इफ़ यू आर अ न्यू विजिटर टू दिस चैनल, प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल एंड hit the bell button for new such videos. Nails are very important and essential part of our body. It is very small but plays a very important role. So here we will be talking about 5 very effective steps which we can follow to take care of our nails at home, where the first step would be remove nail paint. So we will be removing the nail paint by using any of the nail paint remover. Once the nail paint is removed, we will be moving to our second step, that is scrubbing our nails. Scrubbing part, what we will be doing is we will be taking honey in one bowl as per the quantity which is required. In that we will be adding 1 tablespoon sugar, and after that we will be taking that mixture and we will scrub the nails thoroughly. And once it is done, let me tell you the benefits of this. Actually, it helps to remove dead skin, opens the ways to penetrate the moisturizing products deep into the skin, which makes it more effective. In short, if you will follow this routine at least twice in a week, it will certainly give you desired results. And after this, we will be moving towards our leg nails, and we will be following the same actions or the same scrubbing activity that we just did with the hands. And after this, once it is done, we will be taking a towel and we will be just wiping out our hands and legs, after which we will be moving to our next step, where we will be just taking care of our cuticles. Along with that, we will be applying some oil which is available at your home, whichever oil it is, and along with that we will also be giving massage to our nails. Thoroughly massage, and gently we will be using our fingers and giving massage to each and every fingers. And same goes with the leg part as well. We will be giving massage to all the fingers and the nails of. Now when it comes to cuticle parts, we will be taking help of nail cutter and we will start shaping our nails. Along with that, we will also be taking care of our cuticles. We will be making sure that the cuticles are in a better shape and the impurities are removed. A bit behind will kind of fix it. We will press the cuticles just a bit behind and taking just making sure that the any dust or any sort of not be any impurity in the nails. So after that, we will just gently press the cuticles behind, and once it is done, we will be doing the same things for our nails which is there in the leg as well. Once it is done, we will be moving towards our next steps, that is cleaning our nails. What we will be doing for that, we will be taking one bucket. In that we will be taking water and adding a shampoo any of your choice, and we will be thoroughly just cleaning our nails. It is done, we will be just moving ahead to our next process, where we will be moisturizing our nails. For that, we will be taking any of the cream which is available at your home, and we will be gently just massaging all over the nails, including nails in our legs. Now finally, this is last but not the least process, which is applying any of the nail paint of your choice. Here I don't want it to give much color to it, so that's the reason I have just used a nude color here, which also helps you to keep your nails stronger. So that's it, and I hope that today's video was helpful for you. And here I am just applying the nail paint all over my nails, including the nails which are there in my leg. And yeah, so that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Take care of yourselves and stay healthy.